at the Ampere
V48.
V48,
Yeah.
as you can see from the logo.
Yeah.
And Shakti, can you tell us a little bit about the features, the salient features of this bike, and why is this model so special?
Why we have kept this product in our, in our portfolio, that it has certain unique features. The primary among them is that the seating of this bike is very low. So people who are of a shorter height or women who want to ride it, they appreciate this feature a lot. They are able to maneuver the product very easily. They are able to ride the product very easily. The seat is, much smaller compared to the other bikes. This is primarily a single-seater sort of a bike, or you can take your kid, maximum. Second is that it offers a digital meter. Yeah, and this will show you the kilometers, how much it has gone, the speed, the battery backup that you have in your battery which is left, that it will show you. And once you accelerate it, it will show the speed also. And so all the information is there readily available in front of you on the screen. And you can have some storage behind if you want. You can tie it up, or you can just keep your bag. This does offer a small under-seat storage where you can keep your helmet. This also offers a portable battery where you can remove the battery sets if you want in an emergency or something like that. So this feature is also available in this bike. Other than this, it offers telescopic shock ups, 16-inch rims, which make it more comfortable. Form factor is much smaller. It is easy to maneuver in traffic. It has a bottle holder. It has a small glove compartment. So these features are there in this bike, and hence this makes it unique.
Also,
and it is there.
can this part carry load?
This part can carry load. You can place,
Extra seat maybe?
extra seat or some delivery boxes or some bags if you want to, just keep it there.
So this
It is
seems to be
possible.
targeted Shakti at a single person,
Single
and it has
person.
lots of design touches to make it very comfortable
Yes.
for a single person to ride around.
It's a 250 watt motor at a speed of 25, and it has good gradability. You can climb like all the flyovers and bridges very easily.
This is the Ampere V48, and the charger is similar to other e-scooters. You plug it into the mains, and a blinking red light will show you that it is charging. Once the red light goes completely green, it means that the battery has charged. It will again take 8 hours to charge, and on a charge it will go 50 kilometers. So you plug it in over here. This is a flap over here, and you plug in the point over here. So the batteries can be removed, but the removal not as easy. So that's why you generally would just charge it directly with the scooter. Alright guys, here is a review for the Ampere e-bike V48, and this one has a unique feature of a speed selector. So it's got 3 different speeds, 25, 30, 35. And it does not affect the acceleration profile. So what happens is that even if you're at 1 or 2 or 3, you can still overtake slow moving rickshaws. But then to actually complete the overtake, you do need to be in one of the higher settings. We enjoyed the ride. It's zippy, it's small, it's easy to handle, and it does have an odometer. It has even a voltage indicator and a battery chart. So these are helpful indications if you're riding an e-scooter, and I'm glad they've provided it. As far as the ride quality is concerned, very comfortable on bumps, and I hardly noticed much of the rumble on the road. I wonder how the pillion felt, because this is actually a one-seater, I would say, with space for a kid or some luggage.
Yeah,
But,
the seats are a little small. It's a bumpy ride. It was zippy, but I like it. It's nice.
And we did do a gradient like we've been doing over the Airoli flyover, which is not a very big gradient, but it was able to take it with ease. It did not slow down as much as I had expected it to. So it's got ample amount of power to be able to cross even, I think, the biggest flyovers in Mumbai. So that's one thing that it's got in plus. So I would definitely recommend this bike.